Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys hear some gunshots in the background, my boyfriend is playing video games, so that, yeah, not gonna get into that. I've already bitched at him about it. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys are prepared for this month because I'm gonna be bringing you guys a bunch of Halloween looks, and this one being one of them. This look was actually inspired from Milk1422 on Instagram, and this is what the face chart looks like. Close enough. I feel like I would definitely wear this out for like a Halloween party, but a bitch doesn't get out of her house. It's cute, scary-ish, and very artistic, so if this is something that you guys would want to learn how to do, then just keep watching.
I'm back. Boo.
I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows using my Sigma brow pomade in the shade Dark, along with my Sigma E75 angled brush. Both of these combined help me create really natural brow hairs and also just like really bold brows. The formula is very creamy and it just glides on effortlessly. Now I'm picking up my Jeffree Star concealer, and this one is in the shade C13 to carve out my eyebrows, and then I'm just applying it all over the eye as well for the perfect base for my eyeshadows. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is by Violet Voss. This is the Best Life palette. This has been one of my favorites for the summer. It has a lot of pretty pressed glitters and also very neutral shades, moving along to a little bit of bold shades. The first eyeshadow color that I'm going to be using is this one here called Cocktails, and I'm applying this as my transition color, taking it up a little bit beneath the brow bone, just making sure it's really blended up there. The next color I'm picking up is called Summertime, and I'm applying Summertime at the eye socket just to deepen it up, like just in the beginning area. I'm not taking it all the way out because I'm going to be taking a purple lipstick. This one is actually from Sam Marcel, and this one is called Juliet. I'm applying that on the lid, and then I'm going to be smoking that out with the color Peace from the Best Life palette. Moving on to the face, I really want my canvas, which would be my face, I want it to be very hydrated for makeup application, so I'm using my Laura Mercier Foundation Primer, and this is the Hydrating Primer. I highly recommend this if you have very dry skin like myself. I'm going to be using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation in the shade Warm Honey. I'm going to be applying my foundation with a flat kabuki brush. This is the Sigma F80 brush, and I prefer using brushes over sponges any day because makeup brushes just use less product. Once again, I'm using my Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C13. This is super light, but hey, it's Halloween makeup and we can get away with it. Once the concealer is all blended out, we're going to move on to bronzing. I'm using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics to warm up my face. And then to bake, I'm picking up my Beauty Bakery Flour baking powder. Just making sure that everything is set in place with the powder so that I can begin to play with paints on my face. This here is my Sleek Makeup eyeliner, and I absolutely love this eyeliner. It just glides on so smoothly, and it is an intense black. I'm also taking the black eyeshadow from the Best Life palette. It's called Holiday, and just kind of smoking out the bottom lash line. And again, I'm using my Sam Marcel liquid lipstick to apply it underneath the eye area, and then just bringing down some of that black to the purple. Taking my Lorac liquid lipstick, this is in the shade Deep Burgundy. I'm also adding this into the bottom of the eyes. Adding some red in there. This one is called Rogue from Sam Marcel. This here is the Stila liquid shadow in Sea Siren, and I'm applying this to the water duct just to brighten that up. Going back into the color Holiday from the palette, I'm just darkening up the under eye area, I guess, just to hide those bags, you know. Popping on some lashes. Hello. I'm becoming a disaster, you guys. I have so much stuff on my makeup table that, you know, I'm just not getting it all together. All I did here was just apply some black paint, and then I applied some eyeshadow over that. So that's why my eyes look a little bit deeper. I accidentally put some eyeshadow there, but that's fine. We're gonna go back in there, and I'm gonna be taking some blue paint. Let's go back into doing a voiceover. Since these videos are a little bit longer than regular makeup tutorials, I do have to do voiceovers just to kind of speed things up. I'm gonna try to create a dripping effect, and all I did is apply a lot of water into the paint. And I'm just gonna push it right in here. Shit. It didn't do anything. Okay, I feel like it's gonna drip. Come on. Come on, drip. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop. Bitch, stop. You know what? This is art, and I'm just gonna let it keep going. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh shit. What's going on? Okay, turn. Turn. Okay, so over on this area, I'm also gonna bring this down. Okay, so now I'm going back in here and going over that with the black. And now just going back in with the black paint over that blue, just dragging that black along with the blue. On the lips, I'm still using the same liquid lipstick that I applied on the eyes. This one here is from Lorac, and again, it's called Deep Burgundy. Now I'm just applying that same liquid lipstick at the edges of the lips. Taking some black paint, I'm adding some detail to the bottom of the lips just to create the illusion that my lips are a lot bigger than they actually are. Taking the Sam Marcel lipstick in Rogue once again, and I'm just applying it on the nose. With some black paint, I'm just adding some dimension to the bottom of the nose, and just to add a little bit of dimension in there. Again, picking up the Sea Siren liquid shadow from Stila and just applying it on the lips. Going back in with the black paint just to deepen out the mouth area to make it look a little bit more stretched out. I'm back, but there's still final touches that I forgot to do. I thought I was going to come back and show you guys a finished look, but unfortunately that's not the case. Currently I'm wearing my daughter's skirt on my neck. I just didn't have anything ruffled, so this will do. I'm going to outline the outer edges of the nose just to make it look a little bit more round. I am just outlining the nose. I'm going to use a NYX liquid eyeliner. This one is in the white shade, obviously, just to apply some of those little light reflex on my nose and on my lips. And then honestly, I don't know what I was doing at this point, but I just wanted to add a little bit of cute details to this look. Little dots here and there. This was not a part of the face chart. I just kind of like visualized it, and here it is. Now picking up some blood paste. This here is from Graftobian, and just applying it at the outer edges of my mouth just to make it look a little bit more spooky. Bringing that blood paste down my nose and adding a little bit more details to the top of the brows. That wraps it up for this look. I hope you guys like it. I like it. I like how colorful it is, and like, it's not your typical clown. It's just really artsy, very cute. And yeah, if you guys want to continue to see more Halloween looks, don't forget to subscribe down below, and also turn on post notifications so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. I'm hoping to upload every single day in the month of October, but I don't know if that's gonna happen, girl. Let's be realistic here. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video, and hopefully I see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'm not even playing. This is my daughter's skirt. Look at her skirt. So it has little shorts under the skirt, and I put my head through one of the legs.